It is wintry here in Dallas. Look. And it's still snowing too. Oh, look at the snow on here. Hey! Hey! Oh, it is snowing. Noah! It is 16 degrees right now. 16, let me check. 16 degrees. Are you gonna take that up and here, do it? My nose is getting red. Woo. Nope, no one's outside because it's cold. Okay, weather like this is perfect for a s'more. It's round 2. Oh my gosh. Too cold. Car won't start. It's too cold. It's like inches and inches of snow. Look at that. This is in my driveway. After, which is like 5 degrees, and my car will not start. Whoa. And now the garage won't close because I think there's ice around here, so let's see if the garage closes. Okay, so I got a ruler. I'm gonna do the ruler test right here. Look at that, 5. Whoa. This one says almost 6 inches. Wow. Ooh. Okay, so I called roadside assistance to have them jump my car. It's raining. It's raining. I just, I'm scared that it's gonna shut down again. You car gurus, let me know. I just got the new battery maybe in December. Yeah, it's only been a few months. So the roadside assistant, whoa, we got a helicopter. Roadside assistant said that if it does this again tomorrow, I gotta jump it and then go straight to the dealership. But man, the roads are so bad that I'm not really even wanting to drive in this. Huh, let me know if you know anything about that. All right, but I'm gonna let the car run for a good 10 minutes, come back out and do it again, I guess. Crossing fingers. So it's after 5 p.m. I know today hasn't been too eventful. All you could kind of do is just sit inside and stay warm. I'm in front of the space heater right now, but it is just so darn cold, and the snow is starting to turn into ice. I've been turning on my car every hour since it's been jumped, and I'm just trying to make sure it stays warm, the battery's good. I'm just bunkering down tonight. Not much left. I still have electricity. I know a lot of people in the surrounding areas don't. So I'm just holding tight. My Spectrum is out. There's an outage, so I can't really do a lot, as in watching TV or getting on Wi-Fi, working on different things, but I am going to go ahead and study, go over some more contracts and things like that that I could do individually. And guys, I'm gonna call it a night. Warm up. I'm playing some music and I don't know, make it an early night. Let's see how it goes tomorrow. There's gonna be another storm coming tomorrow. You guys just hang in there. It's cold, stay safe, and I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. Good night. This has been my friend, my little space heater. This guy packs a good punch and keeps the room warm. This is Tuesday, day 3 of this blizzard here in Dallas, and I've layered up, lots of layers, lots of pieces of clothes. What we've been experiencing are rolling outages, and they're not out for just 15-45 minutes. It's like it's been over a day for most people. I have been one that's been really lucky where I'm still having power. My internet went out yesterday in the afternoon, but I'm still really lucky to still have heat and a way to cook. But outside is still a frozen wasteland. It is right now -1. -1 degrees. So I'm making coffee, it's breakfast. Remember my car with the battery? I've been getting up every 2 hours, turning it on in the middle of the night, every 2 hours, 2, 4, 6:30, 8. Just, I don't want to chance it. It's been so cold. So I'll go out there every few hours and turn it on. You guys make sure you check your cars also. No internet, I can't really work. But I found a DVD player. I've been watching a few movies. I can make a few phone calls. Guys, I'm really probably very uneventful today. Not doing much, not going out. I don't know if I have any other updates, maybe let you know when the internet comes back on. But until then, it's bunkering down, getting under the covers. This is now Wednesday and it's still snowing. There's more fresh snow on top of the snow that we already have. A lot of people are out of electricity. Luckily, I still have electricity. It's just I don't have any Spectrum or Wi-Fi. Oh, I left the lights on again on my car. I've been coming out here every few hours, turning on the car to make sure that I left the light on, making sure that it starts. Struggled a little bit lately. It's just been turning on after I had it jumped. Just trying to keep it going. It said 28, now it says 31. So again, I leave it running for a little bit, but man. Okay, we're going back inside. I'm gonna leave it for about 10 minutes. It's Friday. Oh, I'm getting melted on. Things are melting, thank goodness. I didn't film Thursday because it's the same, but oh my gosh, the sunshine. I don't know what I'm gonna film today. I'm just waiting for all this to thaw. Oh, there's a basketball up there. Looking at all these bunny tracks. Bunnies, and more bunnies. Oh yeah, we've been playing up there. Let me see if there's any bunny tracks over here. Ice. So I like to look at some of the tracks. And look at these right here, huh? Bunny tracks. Where are they going? Okay. Morning, it's Saturday. A whole week pretty much. Little update. Most of the snow has already melted. Thank goodness. It was melting a lot yesterday, Friday. Now today is Saturday. Should be about 46, 44 today. And A lot of the snow has melted. I am warming up my car again. I don't know, I might do this today and tomorrow just to keep it warm. And gosh, snow's gone. I could actually go out to the store. I've been really lucky with having power, water. I think just one day I was out of internet, but guys, I'm really thankful compared to what's going on in the area. So thanks for everyone that's checking on me. I was trying to check on other people too, and I hope that everyone's repairs and recovery is a lot quicker and better. So what a snowstorm. Next week's going to be in the 60s. That's Texas for you. So this is kind of a week recap of what happened here in Dallas. Just record-breaking Arctic weather. So be safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.